today's video, we are going to be checking out two different purple wigs. One of them is a more expensive purple wig, and one of them is a quite cheap purple wig. Welcome back to the Ms. Angela Sawyer channel, and welcome back to another wig vid. So let's get started. I got this wig off of Amazon. I recently did a review video on this wig, which was $18 and some change, versus another wig from Amazon that was only $21 and some change. And the difference is incredible, so I encourage you to check that out. So this wig here, $18. It doesn't have any kind of a lace front. The part is fairly close together, making it look fairly fake. The hair, I like the length. I like how it's like kind of like ringlety curly kind of, but there's not a lot of it. Like it's so thin. Let me just go ahead and jump into the expensive purple wig. So I got this wig from my local mall, and this wig was a little over $100. It had a lace front, or still has a lace front, which means that you get like little baby hairs along the sides, and you also have a lace part. So that's the thing that is very different about this purple wig versus this hot mess, is the part. There's an actual part in this one, people. If you check out the part, it's actually a lace part. So it looks much more natural than having got hair in my face. Ah! Come on, man. Get out of there. I don't know where it came from. Get it away from me. Okay, anyway, you have an actual part. It's a lace part, so that means that you can see your scalp underneath, or I prefer to wear a wig cap, which I have plenty of wig videos, and I will put some educational ones in the description and at the end screen about how to wear wig caps and about lace front wigs versus non-lace front, and I have several educational videos, so if you're not sure what I'm talking about, I'll link the videos and then you can check them out. But this is the purple one. So first thing I noticed that makes it way better, I mean $100 versus what was it, a mall? $100 versus $18, what it will get you. This hair is thick. I just have, it's really long. So this, right here, this is a lot of hair. This one, you put it in a ponytail and it's just not as much hair. And it's much shinier than this. I have worn this wig out several times, and I'll get compliments on my hair, and then I tell people, oh, it's just a wig, and they're like, oh my gosh, it looks like your real hair, and I'm like, oh, thank you. But another thing that makes it look a little more realistic is the fact that it shows a little bit of grow out, right? Because nobody's born with purple hair, and most of the time, you know, you dye your hair and then it grows out a little bit. So it's got a little bit of grow out in here that really helps make it look more natural. In a upcoming video, I'm going to show you how to use the glue or spray or whatever you want to call it that a lot of girls use, or just people in general. It doesn't have to be a girl to wear a wig. You can all wear wigs. I don't care. But basically they use it to apply under the wig part here, and it makes it like stick to your head. And when it sticks to your head, it just like, I thought that mine looked natural just because I did the wig cap and like tried to make them look all good. And like this one, I'll take and I'll like separate some out and do one of those cute little ponytail things, or not ponytails, but the little buns on the top. It's really fun to do. But I do have an upcoming video on the use of that spray. We will actually be trying it together. I've seen a lot of videos on girls using it. That's why I got it. But I have never used it before, so I thought it might be fun or a train wreck to show you on camera the first time I use it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not hit the subscribe button, it's very important that you do that. It will make me very happy. And when I'm happy, you're happy, right? So we're all happy. So just hit the dang button, alright? And also, if you like this video, hit thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, hit thumbs down. I need to know if you like my videos or not. But other than that, you have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.